guys, it's kind of windy, but today I'm going to be painting my front bumper lid. I'm going to be painting it the same color as my front bumper. So I'll go ahead and show you. Go ahead and do 2 to 3 coats, and I'll show you on each coat what it looks like. Alright you guys, I did the first coat. So I'll let that dry for a few minutes and do one more. Alright, this is the second coat. One more coat of paint, and then I'll do about 2 or 3 coats of clear. Alright you guys, I did 3 coats of paint and 3 coats of clear. So how does it look? A lot better. The whole car is going to be this color. So be prepared. If you guys are new, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Like and comment down below what you guys think.